Hi guys, I hope you are doing great. And here I am solving the PGCET 2019 question paper. It is related to MBA course, and the set is available on website is set E, and I am going to solve the same set. And in my previous videos where I have solved the question on quantitative aptitude, you can have a look at those questions. It is very useful before making a final attempt. Now getting to questions. This video is related to reasoning questions, and we'll see the questions. The first question is, in a class of 60 students, the number of boys and girls participating in annual sports is in the ratio of 3:2 respectively. The girls not participating in the sports is more than the number of boys not participating in the sports. If the number of boys participating in the sports is 15, then how many girls are there in class? They have given ratio 3:2, and the number of boys participating is 15. The ratio 3 is 15. Now the ratio 2 is 10. So total number of students participating in an event becomes 25. Participating, these are the participating. Now the rest is 35. Thus 35 is not participating in an event. They have said that the girls not participating in the sports is more than that of number of boys not participating in the sports. So it means that, let's suppose take out of 35, we can divide it as a 17. So the given condition is girls are more, so you take it as 18:17. 18:17, it is girls and it is boys. It is the one of the least possible condition. Otherwise we can consider maximum 35 0 also. We can consider 35 girls who are not participating and 0 boys who are not participating. But we are considering the least possible case, which is 18:7, 18 girls, which is more than 17 boys. So if you consider 18 as a girls, and from these participating there are 10 girls who are participating. Now 18 plus 10, it is 28. It means that these two options are not valid. Now it is left out to these two options, but there is no specific answer within the given options, and the answer is data is inadvocate. A is 2 years older than B, given that A is equal to 2 years older than B plus 2, and B is twice the C. So how we can solve this question easily is just they are asking the total ages ABC is 27, and how old is B? They want what is the age of B. You just go through options, just assume, consider A as 7, B means consider A option, B age is 7. So when B is 7, what is A age? A is B plus 2, which is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. And C, what is C age? C is half of B. Half of 7 is 3.5. Then you add 7 plus 9 plus 3.5, which is not equal to 27. Like that you consider, take 8. If B is 8, A will become 8 plus 2, 10. Total is A plus B is, A is 10, B is 8. Then C is half of the B is 4. Then you will get how much? 22. It is not right. Consider C option 9. When B is 9, A is equal to 11. 9 plus 2 is 11. Now how much it becomes? 9 plus 11, 20. What is C? C is half of B. B is 9, C becomes 4.5. Now it becomes 24.5. And last option D is 10. When D is 10, when B considered as a 10, A is equal to 10 plus 2, 12. Now A is 12, B is 10. C is half of the B, which is 10 by 2, which is 5. You add that. A is equal to 12, B is 10, C is 5. Now it is 27. This is the right answer. Otherwise you can do it as A plus B plus C is equal to 27. A, you know that B plus 2, and B is, keep it as usual. C is half of the B. You can, by taking LCM, if you solve, you will get B as 10. Third question. Pointing to a person, Deepak said, his only brother is the father of my daughter's father. How is the person related to Deepak? First take this. My daughter's father. Who is my daughter's father? I am a father. and my daughter's father is myself only. So I am here. It is myself. My daughter's father is myself, and my father, brother, my father, brother. What he will become? He will become uncle. It is question related to there is a grammatical mistake in a sentence. The highlighted bold part you have to replace with the correct one. During the training program, the new recruits will be briefed about how their role is in new organization. You have to replace how their role with the correct sentence. So, which suits this sentence? You just go through and substitute the given option. You will find the correct sentence. The answer is C and D. It is by reading you will get. There is no need to explain anything here. The equipment is such a poor condition that we have no alternatives to buy new ones. So we have to replace no alternative to with a correct sentence. So they have in question they have mentioned that the equipment is so poor condition. It means that we have to replace it. But we have to replace means we don't have any other alternative to use that. So these two options will not come into consideration because they are saying that there are many alternatives, any alternative except like that they are saying that there is alternative, but the condition is very poor so that we cannot use it. So there is no alternative, either it is C or D, there is no alternative. We can use condition that we have no other alternative, but at the end of the sentence they given but new ones, buy new ones. What we can say that we don't have any alternative but we can buy new ones. It is the answer. Given that C4X 49U I16R, they have given the series, we have to find the next. You look at C and F, the difference C in between C and F, how many words, how many alphabets are there? C, D, E, 2 alphabets are there. F after I, G, H, there are 2 alphabets. After 2 alphabets I, you will get L. So this is the L. You look at 4, 9, difference is 5. 9, 16, difference is 7. So first difference is 5. The first difference is 5. Next is 7. So next is 9. 16 plus 9, 25. This is the answer. There is no need to go for other options because due to time constraint, they will give direct answers. A professor is a son of doctor, but his father is an engineer. How doctor is related to engineer? We don't know professor gender, and he's a son of doctor. Here it is a professor and son of doctor, but his father is male gender. His father is engineer. If father is a engineer and it is male, then it should be female and it should be wife. Wife is the answer. These are the 7 questions that I have solved in this video. Next video I will come up with few more questions. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to press bell icon.